Use these tips before dealing with the stock market next. Getting into the stock market can be a confusing thing to even think about. If you want to learn how you can invest your money, then look no further because you've come to the right place. This video has plenty of information that you can use to learn what it takes to invest in the stock market. Investing is best done with an eye to the long term. There are very few people who will succeed at moving money in and out of investment vehicles if they try to catch day-to-day trends. Most people just end up losing their money and getting frustrated. Look for solid companies or funds with a long history of good returns and stay the course. Understand the risk involved in the stock market. If you are used to investing in mutual funds, understand that individual stock investing is a greater risk. If you aren't the type of person who is prepared to take a risk, stick with companies that have a good financial standing and that have shown excellent stock performance in the past. Your portfolio should always have a reasonable amount of diversity. Don't make the mistake of investing in a single company. As an example, suppose you invest all of your money into one stock only to have it tank. You wind up losing your hard-earned savings. Try to choose stocks capable of bringing in profits above those generally achieved by the market as a whole, because an index fund would be able to give you at least that much of a return. Find projected earnings growth and dividend yield to estimate likely stock returns. For example, if a stock yields 4% and the projected earnings growth is 15%, you should receive a 19% return. With the information that you have learned from this video, you should be well informed with how you can become successful with investing in the stock market. Go ahead and re-watch this video if you have to. You want to make sure that you retained all of the information present in order to be successful. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.